Did you know that throwing away banana peels is like throwing away the best natural fertilizer your plants could ever ask for? Stick around until the end. Once you see the results, you'll never waste a peel again. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, four essential nutrients that help plants grow faster, produce more flowers, and develop stronger roots. Instead of tossing the peel, simply chop it into small pieces and bury them about 2 to 3 inches deep in the soil, near the base of your plants. As the peel decomposes, it slowly releases nutrients directly into the root zone, feeding the plants exactly where they need it most. This method is especially powerful for heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, roses, and fruit trees. You'll notice greener leaves, more vibrant blooms, and even better tasting fruits, all without using any chemical fertilizers. It's 100% natural, safe, and completely free. Plus, it improves the soil's texture and encourages earthworms, making your garden even healthier over time. So, next time you eat a banana, remember, bury the peel and let your plants thrive. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy gardening secrets.